Today we got a video from Police Ride-Alongs, and the title of the video is 23-year-old learns a hard lesson about road rage.
Okay, so I messed up. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Well, you're going to jail.
Huh?
On this ride-along, an officer goes off-road. Another holds up a finger. And a woman screws up her mom's car.
My mom's car charger in my car.
On the morning of October 2nd in Port Charlotte, Florida, deputies responded to a call of a hit-and-run. An Acura had rear-ended a Nissan in a turning lane and fled. The victim said the suspect had been aggressively following her for miles.
I'm doing 55-60. It's Thursday. It's a busy morning. Okay, she's just riding my ass, and I'm keeping a safe distance.
As the officers continued to talk with the woman, Central Communication received a 911 call from a gate guard at a nearby golf course. He said he'd just helped a woman in an Acura remove a piece of her car that was damaged. The woman told him she hit a deer or a bear, but he got suspicious when he saw blue paint transfer on it. He said the Acura was now heading towards El Jobin Road from Riverwood Drive, which wasn't too far from where the officers were standing. Dispatch relayed this information to the officers, and they spotted the woman as she was turning at the intersection.
I tried to get my phone out as fast as I could.
That's the car right there.
We'll be right back.
Okay. 239, copy.
10-4, be advised that tag does come back on a 2015 Acura check facility.
This semi-truck would later report being involved in the incident too. As the woman had been fleeing the scene, she'd struck the left side of the truck's trailer. He had to pull over into the grass due to a damaged rear tire.
My boy gonna be late picking up that load.
As the officers continued down El Jobin, they nearly passed the Acura as it was turning down a back road.
That's it. Make a left on Cornelius. Just take it real slow.
Any available units, you go to that second one.
Here, I'll get it. Central 239. Vehicle just turned onto Cornelius from LG. We're turning on Cornelius now.
10%.
Check these side roads. Next one.
And we're back on the line. The security of Riverwood is one that's actually calling this in. Disconnected. I'll update you.
The officer would later write in his report that it seemed like the woman was trying to hide from them by turning down the side road and stopping where there were no houses or businesses.
Vehicle at Van Dyke and Cornelius. It's going to be stopped on Van Dyke.
She would have got away if she kept going.
Stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle.
We'll be right there.
She had a nice little head start.
We're going to be making contact with the driver. There was no injury. We'll be back there in a couple minutes.
Driver, put your hands where I can see him. I got it.
I'm with 239.
I don't trust.
Is there anybody else in the vehicle? No, is it just you?
No, this is my son's balloon. It's my son's balloon. Why are you guys freaking?
Can you step out of the vehicle for me?
Yeah.
Do you have any guns on you? Any weapons? No.
You say your
nothing.
son's in the car?
No, my son is not. He's at school.
Oh, okay.
Well, you're in a. What's been going on today?
Well, this lady freaking was driving crazy, and she was she rear-ended the crap out of me, and I've been.
Rear-ended you?
No, she brake checked me, and I rear-ended her.
Do you have an ID on you?
Yeah, I do.
Where is it? Do you mind if I grab it for you?
Sure. It's
Where is
in
it?
my purse.
It's in the purse. All right, I'm gonna move this.
So you were in an accident?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I didn't think it was bad or anything, and then I saw her, it looked like she was, and then I don't know, I just got really nervous, and then it's not my fault. She brake checked me.
Okay. Did you see your car?
Yeah. It was a blue SUV.
Okay.
Did she leave? Because it
No,
looked like she was leaving.
No, she stayed.
Okay.
And I guess you hit a semi-truck too. Do you remember hitting the truck?
Like when I pulled out, yeah, a little bit. It like hit me.
A little bit.
Okay.
I was trying to like
Come up with a better
I just wanted to see
lie.
if my car was okay, and I wanted to get away from her because she was acting crazy, and I didn't know what she was gonna do. Like I was in fear for my life if I got out around her, because she was like throwing signals up at me, like rolling.
Oh, come on. Now you in fear for your life? Come on, man. We ain't trying to hear that. We ain't trying to hear that. You was not in no fear for your life. Come up with a better lie. She would have got away. She would have got away if she kept going, but her stopping on the side of the road like that, you just stuck, because she had a nice little head start, because they went past her, then they had to go on the thing, and they were driving slowly going across the grass and to go across traffic. They would have had, and then they stopped at the first turn for a little while before going to the second one. She had a nice little head start, I'm not gonna lie. But I don't understand what her deal is, man, because this is ridiculous.
Pulling the window down, like freaking out, doing the whole thing.
Okay.
And it was like, I just didn't feel like safe getting out and being there with her at that moment. And then I just really wanted to check on my car.
So why didn't you stop and call us?
I just wanted to check on my car. Like I didn't know what had even happened, and obviously I knew I would be in trouble because, I'm not supposed to do that. But like I was just really scared. I'm sorry. I've never
Tell me about
like,
the semi though.
I didn't even, okay, so like the semi just like kind of bumped into me a little bit. Like I didn't hit into the semi.
Worst thing you can do in a crash is leave the scene of an accident. Can never ever leave in the scene of the accident.
I'm sorry.
Was there anybody?
Horseshoes.
Insurance for this car.
And then they told the security guard at Riverwood that you hit an animal. So you already lied to that person. Now you're lying to us.
I'm not lying to you.
Yeah, you are.
About what did I lie about to you?
He's a father. You could tell.
Saying you're feeling unsafe and this, that, and the other. The law is what? Well, the semi guy isn't lying. So why didn't you stop for that?
Well,
So
okay,
so
I messed up. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Well, you're going to jail.
Huh? What?
It's your fault.
What? I have a kid.
Wipe that smile right off her face. Oh. Watch her whole demeanor switch. Well, you're going to jail.
Safe and this, that, and the other.
Yeah,
The law is what? Well, the semi guy isn't lying. So why didn't you stop for that?
Well, okay, I messed up. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Well, you're going to jail.
Huh? What?
Huh?
What?
You're
I
going
have
to
a
jail.
kid. I have a child. Wait. I have a son. I have a
So?
4-year-old son. What are you guys doing? No, I can't. I've never been to jail. What?
Well, there's only the first one.
What? Are you serious right now? Is this really happening? Like, this is serious?
2 hit and runs.
He
2 hit and runs. 2.
hit into me.
2. No, 2.
So is she getting anything? Because she brake checked me. Is she in trouble?
So
She was driving erratically. Is she in trouble?
Oh, 2 people driving erratically that you hit.
No, the
You
one
said
lady
the semi.
caused
You already
this.
lied. You already lied.
Well,
And you fled.
What did
and
I
you,
lie
and
about
you,
the
and
semi
you,
I
lied,
chopped
and you,
with?
lied, and you lied to who?
Go
You
ahead
lied
and
to
tell
who?
this one.
The gate guard. You said you hit an animal. Where's the fur? Where's the
I
blood?
said I hit an animal previously because I had hit an animal previously, but not. And then I said it got worse because
So we're standing out here in a secluded area. No.
Yeah. Who's the insurance company for your car?
State Farm. It's my mom's car. It's not even my car.
Okay. So we're gonna have you take a seat in the back of our patrol car.
You have anything when you hit
Is there any way we can like what can I
should have
do?
made better decision when you hit the first car.
Yes, sir.
She's already started to lie too many times.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
I have a what? No. Wait, are you serious right now?
We need someone to go back to that accident.
Yeah.
But we saw the car, so we're like, we're not gonna let it get away.
No, I agree with you.
Yeah.
No, I agree with you. That's why I'm like, I started meandering that way, and I'm like, I'm gonna start going 10-18 to try to catch it.
Yeah.
Can you explain?
Are you available to come to my stop?
I'm just really confused right now. I really need someone to just be like level-headed with me and just explain.
Simple.
And then, so we had to jump the meeting and go back around and get it. And but here we are.
How did she pull into here?
I think she was trying to hide. Yeah.
Do you have anything on you? Do you have any firearms, any knife, anything that?
Nothing. No.
Okay.
Nothing at all.
So this is what I'm gonna explain to you. The first time when you hit a vehicle that you leave the scene of a crash, that's pretty bad. Then you hit another one.
But she hit into. I'm sorry.
Yeah. See if Haley's here.
She's coming.
Oh, okay, cool. Perfect.
I'm going to jail.
Yes.
Yeah, you are.
They're hitting wrong. Did you want to wait here with this car while we go back there and finish?
Yeah, just do the
Is the lady who did this in any trouble? Because she literally brake checked me. She was driving erratically. How do you not believe this? Is there traffic cameras? Go check the traffic cameras.
I don't believe you. You already lied. You lied to the gate guard. You lied to me. And two different people.
Why? Let me ask you a question. Why do you see me with
And you turned down here to hide from them?
I didn't even see them. I came down here to try to check out
Never
my
had the
car.
lights and sirens.
lights and sirens on? Here, let's go behind this
I have
car.
a lot going on. I'm not looking around to see if there's.
She is a terrible liar.
I cannot believe this is seriously happening. That lady.
It is happening. I mean, like I said, you should have never left the scene of a crash.
That lady should be in trouble too because that's not.
So we're gonna put her in your car. You're gonna just transport her.
Can I call somebody? Like what?
Yeah, we'll take care of that.
Your purse. Do you want that to go with you?
I kind of need it. Yeah.
Okay.
But where's it gonna?
So, it's gonna go with you to jail.
Okay.
Yep.
And I get to like keep it on me and everything. Or
Well, they're gonna
take it.
They're gonna keep it in your property, and then when you get released, it'll be given back to you. So I'll grab that for you. She's gonna search you. Okay.
All right. Then I'm gonna start.
I'm just gonna grab that. I'll be right back. Her purse.
Yeah.
Yep.
So that happened. She was charged with leaving the scene of a crash with property damage. On January 21st, she pled no contest to the charge and was given 6 months of probation. She was also ordered to complete a 4-hour driving course within 60 days.
This is from the semi.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
That chewed up area, because I'm telling you, when an M1 tank hit me during the Gulf War,
Yeah,
it chewed up my.
cut you up.
Yeah, that chews me up.
You could do 2 hit and runs and get 6 months of probation. Unbelievable. 2 hit and runs and get 6 months of probation. Not even a year of probation. 6 months of probation for 2 hit and runs. Not 1, 2. Now that's crazy. This court system is wild. Not gonna lie to you, man. But overall, the cops did a good job. You know, they did their thing. I definitely like the sergeant. You know, it was like he talking to her as if he talking to his daughter or something. You know, reprimanding her, and you're full of shit. You know, that's what it pretty much comes down to. You're full of crap. You're lying to me. You're already caught. You're in deep waters already. And you're gonna insult my intelligence by lying to me. Everyone hit you. What happened with the semi truck? Oh, I remember it a little bit. Yeah, he hit me. What? Well, what happened to the gate? What happened to the gate agent? You told him you hit an animal? No, I told him I hit an animal before and it just got worse. Okay. Full of crap, man. You gonna lie to my face like that? I know he was getting mad. You gonna insult my intelligence like that? That's crazy. That's disrespectful. Anyway, I get officers 5 out of 5. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.